Alright, so we have discussed these basic arithmetic operators. Now we will be discussing these operators here. Okay, first of all, let's go with the modulus operator. What exactly is the modulus operator? Okay, so what we can do print, and let's do 10 and then mod 3. Okay, so what exactly it does? Basically, what will happen? It will divide 10 by 3. So 3 times 3 will be 9. And it will then subtract 9 from 10 and giving us the modulus or the remainder of the division. Okay, so this is the modulo operator. So hit save and run the program. As you can see, we are getting 1. Okay, let's do print and let's do something like 47 modulo of 6. Okay, let's do that. And if we just do that, we are getting 5. Okay, so it will give us the remainder of the division. So this is the modulo or the remainder operator. Okay, all right, then let's go with the exponentiation operator. Okay, so in case if you want to have something like 2 to the power of 3 or something like that, we can use the exponentiation operator. So print, and we can do something like 2 and double asterisk, so star star, and let's do something like 3. What exactly does that mean? It means 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, we are multiplying 2 by 3 times. Basically, we are doing 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, all right, so if I just do that and run the program, as you can see, we are getting 8. All right, now in case if you want to square root some sort of a number, so print, and let's do something like 100, and let's do the exponentiation operator, and then we can do 0.5. It will square root this particular value. If I just save that and run the program, we are getting 10.0. So as you can see, we are getting floating point back. Okay, because this is a floating point number. All right, so this is the exponentiation operator. Okay, and then the last one, which is the floor division or the integer division. So remember, if I just do something like print and do something like 5 divided by 2, okay, if I just do that, then what will happen? We will get a floating point number. In case if you do not want a floating point number, then what you can do, you can add another slash. So 5 double slash and then 2. So what it will do? It will floor this particular number. Basically, it will round down the number. So if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting 2. Please remember that it will round down the number. It will not round up because it is 2.5, and if we round up the number, then we should get 3, right? But we will not be getting 3, we will get 2. So the integer division or the floor division operator will round down the number and it will return an integer number after the division. Okay, so we can do once again print, and let's do something like 6 divided by 2. Okay, so let's go with this one right now. So we will get 3.0. In case if you just want to have the integer, then just do this, and as you can see, we are getting 3 right now. Okay, awesome. So these are all of the arithmetic operators in Python. So here we have the modulus operator, we have the exponentiation operator, and then we have the floor division operator. Okay, awesome.